Everybody, Keith Best here, and I just thought I would make this video because I am absolutely pumped up. On Monday, our Christopher passed me something to test and for MPP Toolbox, and it is just like sort of awesomeness. Obviously, we've got like loads of stuff in. There's two new products, two new modules come in. There's a site value calculator. And the one I'm pumped up about is the Amazon scraper because it is just phenomenal. It's got bugs in. It's not quite ready yet. This is my demo site, my testing site, but I'll go and show you what it does in a second. But this is what I've created. These are two demo sites, what I've created. There's a single site, which is all about rucksacks. So basically, I did one search. And what happens is you do a search on Amazon for rucksacks. It pulls back 30 products and they are formatted in a CSV file, ready just to be pulled into Magic Page plugin. You pull them into Magic Page plugin, you have a simple site like this, and I'll show you the site, the back end of the site in a second. And basically, this is what it creates for you. So there's like sort of this product, and then you've got other rucksacks you might be interested in. So let's have a look at this one. So then you've got this product, and then let's have a look at the one with internal frames. Oops. So like I said, it's in testing mode, so something must have gone wrong on that one. So let's go back. I'll have to have a look at that later. There's a Trespass Albus backpack. Let's have a look at the casual one. There's a casual one. And then pack covers is only the one. And there's bugger all on that one, so I'm not sure why that one hasn't worked. Like I say, this is just in testing mode at the moment, but I just thought I'd shoot the video to show you. Because the other thing what I can do, which is even more exciting, I'll probably stick with doing these ones, the single, like sort of niche ones, because we found out from like sort of all the Magic Page plugin lead gen sites, if you keep something focused, you get quicker rankings. So I can put, like now I've got this layout, I can put these up in literally half an hour. Probably, push it to an hour if I do really nice pictures and things like that. But I'm going to show you how I can do it. So the other one you can do is this one, which is a multi-product site. So this time I did a search for garden fire pits, got 30 back, hot tubs got 30 back, barbecues got 30 back, and Dutch ovens got 30 back. Now I'll put them all on one site. And I'm going to put a bit of a search box there. But basically, so I'll put this as my favorite product for on the home page, hot tubs. And then I've got all my hot tubs, all my barbecues, Dutch ovens, and fire pits. Or if I go into one of these, I can go to the garden fire pits. And when it comes in, it's just all garden fire pits. That's the product of the month. And then I've got all of these other products. Because as you know, I did this before getting data from like other places from Amazon. And it was a pain in the backside because when you scrape the data from Amazon, which is basically all these other guys do as well, it comes back and it's because as you can see, the people who do Amazon, they've got like all sorts of, you know, content in there, like that one there's got slashes in and all sorts of stuff. Now, obviously, when you put that in and it creates a URL string for you, it just totally breaks it. And it just wasn't like easy to do. And it was just a pain in the backside, and you couldn't really scale it. But now with the MPP Toolbox, it's very scalable. I think I've done since Monday, I think I've probably done probably about 8 or 10 sites. And that's sites I've actually put up, not the amount of ones I've actually just been playing with on here and trying different things out. So basically, this is what I'm just going to show you how it works on. So all I've got There's a magic page and a home page, which are exactly the same. But I've got everything in X fields. So my homepage H1, my homepage tagline. This then is the location, which will come back as being the actual name of the product. That comes back as the about details of the item, which is, if you look at this one, that's this bit here. The pictures, which are pulled back in. So I'm just displaying 3 pictures. The technical details, which is, that one hasn't got any. Let's see if I can find one with technical details. Technical details goes there here. That's the technical details there. And then at the bottom, we've got X field category name. So our garden fire pits. And then type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 on the, which is better off showing you on this one then. Because you got there's the rucksacks, and then you got rucksack 1, rucksack. So they're the different types within the rucksacks, what we are doing. They're all classed as rucksacks, so they're all the same. Because this is split into 4 different things, I've just got fire pits. Because if I go up to hot tubs, you've got you just hot tubs. So like I say, that's basically the code for this site. And it's in Gutenberg. It's a piece of cake. I've stopped using Elementor now. I use Gutenberg for everything. So that's it. That's the code. That's the magic page. Well, here's my X fields. There for the schema. I'm going to play a bit more of this, getting the schema right for these. But there's my company name. So let's say, I don't know. What do we want to, let's have a look. Amazon. Let's just go to Amazon. As you can see, that's the rucksacks one. Let's have a look. Bestsellers. Let's go for tools. There's nothing I fancy in there. No, let's go to kitchen. Kitchen and home appliances. Oh, air fryers. They seem to be popular, don't they? Right. So let's go for air fryer. So let's sort this out first then. So all I've got to do is edit that, edit that, edit that, edit that. So if we do something like air fryers us. Best air fryers. I don't know if there's anything else, but just do best air fryers for now. Best air fryers on the market. Save that, save that. Find the top. Obviously, it would take more time and do this. So I'm going to do. Now, there's probably only one style of air fryer, but I don't know. There might not be. But let's just do that. And then we'll see when we pull it down. So back. So I'll just leave them ones for now. And obviously the meta titles, meta descriptions, I'll just leave. But let's update that. Hop over to MPP Toolbox and jump into here. Okay, so if we just put in here fryer. Now you put your Amazon ID on because this link here will have your Amazon ID on. So when people click on it and go to Amazon, you will get registered for that sale. Okay, so we go for 30 products and we go to amazon.co.uk and we go, let's go. So he's certain for 30 30 air fryers from Amazon. So it does take a while because it has to go through, it has to pull all the, has to do a search first to get the air fryers, then it has to pull through each one individually. So obviously if you're doing 30, just be patient with it because it's definitely worth the wait once it comes back with all the data. There you go. It's now put in a file ready to be downloaded. So let's now form it ready for upload to Magic Page plugin. Oh, for some reason come back with 57. There you go. Can't be bad. So we now download it. So let's drop it in downloads. And it's got air fryer in, so I know what it's called. So save. I'll go to that actually because I want to open it in Excel. Yeah. That's going to pop up. There we go. So what you've got really is all this is ready for pulling in. I'll just zoom in a bit on it. There's a view thing going. Yeah. So you've got like your location, your latitude. All it's done is put it in a format ready to be pulled into MPP. But like I say, some of them, it needs tidying up because as you can see on here, we've got things like that in the square brackets. And we sometimes I have slashes in, which totally buggers everything up, which is one of the reasons why doing it another way was just not feasible. But then you've got about this product and you've got your technical details and all of that. But what I want to look at is, we've got air fryers. There's no real other things apart from air fryers. Okay, not to worry. That'll do. So we've exported that. So all we need to do now is go across to here and update. And what we'll do, we'll go to here, go to settings, go to import, export, and we're just going to do Airfryer database, continue. So if we go over here and we just drop this in here, says it's done it, process it, 56 products. Okay, so it's got 57 lines in. So that's it done. So now, if I go back to the magic page and just edit it, we come down here. What you will find is under the location, you've got all your standard ones, but then you've got about this Amazon ID, brand, product description, all of that. And under the cities one, we should have, as you've seen, I've got in here, counties equals backpacks. So where you get that from is obviously scroll up. There's your county, and it's just air fryers. That's all it is. You've got pellet heating, but okay, so we'll have pellet heating and air fryers. So we'll have them too. So if we just do, where's it gone? So that's groups. That's the wrong one. There it is. So pellet heating systems. So we do that. So we want that to be 5, and we want it to be a list. So then we copy, and let's just put it in here. And then the other one, scroll down, get rid of that. Air fryers, 5, this links copy, and put it into there. So that'll list all the air fryers, that'll list all the pellet heating, and then what I would do is get rid of them too. It's obviously not needed. But what was it? Which way have I got? Air fryers and pellet heating. So then all you do, you change this. Ethanol here. Air fryers. I have no idea what pellet heating is. Save. Update that. Okay, and now if we do a preview, this should work. Obviously, best air fryers on the market. I know why it hasn't. Because I haven't picked the location. Like a muppet. We need to go up here. We need to pick the location. So let's have a look. Let's go for a Ninja. Or let's go for Philips. So Philips Essential Air Fryer. Do that. It's got all of them in. Update. So now if we do preview, now we should get some. There you go. Philips Essential Hair Dryer. Got the pictures. Got that. Got them. Got the 2 pellet heatings in. Now to do the home page, we need to do exactly the same thing. So we go to the home page. Because we go to the home page here. Oh, it's actually picked up the Philips one. That's okay. It hasn't. Oh, because I haven't changed that one. So we need to go to the home page. As you can tell, I'm a bit new to all this. So the home page was. I'll just copy these in, I think. Fryers. Oh, what was the other one? Pellet heat. That location city phone. Pellet heating systems. 5. List with links. Okay, update that. So that's done. Now, if we wanted, because as you can see now, that's on the Philips. Like that, and you've got the air fryers and you've got the pellet heatings. But if I decide, I can say, well, I don't want that to be the Philips. This month I want to promote the Ninja food air fryer. So I can promote that. When I update this now, Ninja. And we've got that. Now, obviously, once these start to rank, what you would need to do is obviously make them better. Just have a look at them and just change them and, change the content inside the stuff so it just looks a bit nice. Like maybe put this into a nice little table or something like that. But then when you click on the checkout Amazon, boom, there you go, Ninja Food Air Fryer. And it'll have your Amazon ID in there. So anybody buys that or anybody buys anything from Amazon within the 24 hours, you're going to get paid. It's not ready yet, but it is coming. So if you're already a member of MPP Toolbox, then look forward to it. If you're not a member, then think about signing up because once this is live, the price of MPP Toolbox will be going up. This is far too powerful. I was thinking of not putting it in MPP Toolbox, but I've decided to put it in. But one, it costs us a fortune for the API to log into Amazon. Also, the power that you've got with this, like I say, I was talking there and I've put the site up in literally minutes. You know, the only thing I'll have to do is change that and my site's done. I can leave it, watch it grow, then just play with it, put some blog posts on, because these are you're gonna need a lot more SEO with these than what you do with the local sites. But I will be doing training and stuff like that on it. Okay, guys, hope you found that interesting. Hope you're as excited as I am. And catch you on the next video. Bye.